Introducing the IPEVO Totem 120, conferencing made at eye level. Totem 120 has two built-in 4K quality cameras to help you choose the right viewing angle. When the AI stage is activated, it automatically makes sure that everyone in front of the camera stays in the frame with its 120-degree ultra-wide view. For immersive conferencing, Totem 120 is equipped with IntelliGo's AI-enhanced voice technology, filtering out any unwanted ambient noise.
Let me show you something cool.
Easily share documents and notes with document mode. Simply switch to the 80-degree autofocus lens to clearly capture letter-sized documents. See eye to eye. Sharing mode is ideal for product demonstrations and tutorials, displaying whatever you need during online collaborations. Aim high, see wide, work smart.